Howdy friends, back at it again with another late update video. Well, I didn't bother standing in front of the camera for this one. Man, I sure am taking my time getting that just right. There we go. Anyways, I didn't bother standing in front of the camera on this one. I got some cool weld footage to show off, so I may as well just throw that in the background while I'm talking. Update, what I've been doing. Last time we talked, I think that was about me going to the market. The archery shoot one, and I had just gotten back from that, yeah. And yeah, I was showing off Buddy with the bench. He dropped it. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so, where we're at now, basically, I didn't do anything too special, really. I made up some more grills. I was going back and forth with a couple clients, getting some materials figured out. I got those materials picked up. It did take a little bit, because there's one client I work with. She's super chill. She does a lot of like artsy stuff, and actually I think I was talking about that in the last video as well. Anyways, a bunch of artsy stuff, and so a lot of times with the materials she'll kind of go back and forth on stuff about what she wants, and I have to change up the order a few times. And then of course also waiting on the steel mill to get stock ready as well, because a lot of times they're missing one or two specific things. There's no point making a trip if it's not ready. Anyways, so going back and forth with that, made the grills. I got all those knife sheaths sewn, cut out, dyed up, waxed, sewn. Now we're just waiting on the rivets. That's for the knife sheaths and for the axe sheaths as well. So need rivets for those, and then they'll be done. I got a little picture of those at the end. You'll be able to see them. They look pretty cool. I did I think it was a short. Yeah, I did a full video and a short of those of the knife sheaths with the saddle stitching. Hope you guys checked that out. So yeah, grills, sheaths, getting materials ready, and then yeah, that's about it. I haven't actually done anything on the bench yet, because the same time I went to get in the steel, it's like right beside where I get my my woodworking supplies as well. So I had to pick up some oil and whatnot, and the place where I got the oil is actually where the rivets are, but they're not going to be here till April 3rd, and I need to get started on the welding that I'm doing now. This is for the artsy client. I'm doing a couple candle holders and a couple aluminum boxes for I'm not sure what it's going to be. I think it's like a rock water feature with plants coming out of it. I don't know, they got holes and stuff in them. I don't have any pictures of that because they're not done, and I don't know. Those were something that she made up, so I don't want to show them off until she's ready to show them off. But these boxes are just stuff that I'm doing, so it's like, yeah, you can take a look. Yeah, we're on to the welding, or the aluminum now, welding the aluminum now, and I'm just gonna speed up here a little bit. Where's the transition? Wait for it. Yeah, you can see my aluminum is not as good as my stainless. Or, sorry, that wasn't stainless, that was cold-rolled mild steel. But this is, oh, I can't remember the designation for this aluminum. Anyways, here's the speed up. There we go. Yeah, just to get through the brightness real quick. It's a much longer weld. But yeah, you can see my aluminum is not as good as my steel welding, but that's just because I barely ever do it. I'll, let me get my gloves off here. There we go. Throw them over on the chair. Yeah, that's good. And, there we go. And just gotta focus. Focus. Come on. There you go. You see, it's serviceable. They're all going to be ground down and given an orbital finish anyways, so I'm not too concerned about that. Anyways, yeah, bit of welding, bit of basic stuff. Oh yeah, here's the cutting boards that I made up as well. I was telling you about those. These are really nice. The kind of patchy ones, those are spalted maple, and then this one here is cherry, and then the one in the back there is also cherry, so it's 2 cherry and 2 maple. And then yeah, these are the knives. Looking pretty good. Anyways, good luck whatever you guys are working on, and I will talk to you later.